In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge your PowerPoint slides into the branded template. And we're going to go over and show you the most used tools in PowerPoint. We'll show you how to merge the slides and how to fix basic formatting with the new template. We'll show you how to make minor adjustments like fixing the formatting of images, fixing text layout, and changing the background color. And we'll wrap it up with showing you how to adjust the slide transitions quickly. So what I want to do is I'm going to escape out of here, and I'm in my branded template now, and I'm just going to go to slide view. Another way to get there, slide sorter view right here. Okay, we want to open up the other deck that we want to merge into the template. So I'm going to go to my desktop here and open up my other deck. Okay, and then what we want to do is we want to arrange the decks so they're next to each other. So I'm going to go to View and Arrange All. And then next I want to be in Slide Sorter View for both sets of slides. So I can reduce the Slide Sorter View so I can see all my slides here. And we'll reduce this down just a little bit. Okay, so next I want to select all the slides in this deck here. So Control A on the PC will do that, Command A on the Mac. And then just click on any one of these slides and drag over to the end here. And you'll notice you'll get this choice down here. And this choice is critical. It's defaulting to the destination theme, which we want. But you also have a choice of keeping source formatting, but then that would defeat the purpose of using the branded template. So we want to keep using destination theme. And as you can see, let's go ahead and make this full screen, that it looks pretty good. All our slides went into the theme quite nicely. There's a few things we want to fix, like there's some images that are distorted because, let me go back to Arrange All. This slideshow was built in 4:3 format, which is the old format, like the old television size. And this is built in the new HD or 16:9 format. And so that's where this width difference comes in. So I'm just going to basically go over some basic options on how to fix this really quickly. First, I want to look at these images and how can we fix these images. So I'm going to double click on the slide to bring it up. And I want to go to Home, and I want to check the layout. And when I see the layout, this one is highlighted. So I want to just click on that layout again, and it resets the slide. So all I need to do is just resize my photo so that it's not distorted. And I go to the next one here, just reset my layout, and then resize my photo. So you could do that to all your photos, and that's pretty easy. Let me go back to Slide Sorter View, and I'll enlarge this just a little bit so I can see my slides a little better. So look at this one, and I'm wondering if this one might be better served as 2 columns, because the text is kind of small. No one's really going to be able to read this, so you might want to split it up into 2 slides. Or you could also put this in 2 columns. So if I go up here, I can change to 2 columns. And see, that might be a little easier to read, just as a quick fix. And another thing is I might put this on the next line and then just make all this text just a little bit smaller so it fits in 2 lines, just because this is part of one thought here. Okay, what's next? Okay, these 3 slides, I'm just going to hold down the Shift key and select all 3. And I just want to make the background white because the background of the art is white, and we really don't need this black bars on the side because it could be a distraction in looking at it. So I'm just going to Control click or right click on the slides, and we're going to Format Background. And then we're going to click Solid Fill, and we're going to change it to white. So you can see very quickly, with just a couple of clicks, we were able to format that slide, those 3 slides consistently. And everything else looks pretty good. I'm not going to go and format every slide because I showed you how to do it. But let me go and we'll close this, and we'll go to Slide Sorter View. And then I want to pop over to Transitions. And when you import new slides, they may not take on a transition, whereas the template has a fade transition. So if you don't have any specialty transitions, I recommend that you just select all your slides and just click fade. It just makes them translate from one slide to the next a little nicer. And so we can check and see what that looks like. So if I click, it's just a nice soft fade that goes to the next slide. It's a little more pleasing to experience than a hard cut. Let's go back to our first slide again. So we showed you how to merge the slides. We fixed some formatting on the new template, and we made some minor adjustments, like fixed the formatting of the images, fixed some text layout, and we changed the background color. And we also adjusted slide transitions quickly. So last bit is to go back to slide sorter view, and we want to always start with the logo and end with the logo. So I'm going to move that second logo to the end. And I'm going to move this thank you to the end as well, before that logo. And all the other slides that we created that weren't part of the deck, we want to get rid of. So I'm just going to shift click and delete. And then just save our file. And that's it.